What's up guys, Cody at Sonic Electronics. We're here in the Stinger booth at SEMA 2024 and we're looking at the Horizon12. This is a custom install and this thing is nuts. If you're looking at upgrading your stereo in your Jeep Wrangler, definitely take a look at this. We're gonna come on over, we're gonna take a look. As you can see, this thing is absolutely massive. Huge screen, really crystal clear quality. It's got climate controls, it's got vehicle information. You can adjust all your climate here. We're talking HD radio. We'll go back to the home here. Vehicle settings, Sirius XM, of course, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You swipe over, they have the audio control or the accessory control for your step lights, your floor lights. You can name your new accessories. This thing is just absolutely incredible. You have your DM Smart DSP here. So kind of your audio control interface built directly into your unit here. Tons of versatility, tons of adjustments that you can make. I mean, this thing is just insane. Like, takes up a massive amount of screen, but still has that amazing like factory fit and finish with the custom install kit. If you're looking at upgrading your Jeep and you're willing to, spend the money to get a really high-end piece here, I would definitely look at the Horizon12 from Stinger. Tons of great features. So obviously you already have this amazing massive screen with all the stuff that you'd ever want, but as well as a nice little side panel here for some quick access to some stuff. You have your phone, some subwoofer volume controls here, all your accessories that you have hooked up here. I mean, this thing is just flush with features. But on top of that, when you go into Android Auto or you go into Apple CarPlay, I mean, this thing looks fabulous in your vehicle. You have the massive GPS here. You have, quick for your YouTube music. You can even, pop down here. Now you're full screen with the music. You can pop down here, go back to your maps. You can go full screen maps, and I mean, that's amazing. If you're on a road trip or you're just driving somewhere you've never been, this is an extremely large display. Looks great in your vehicle. And then of course you can always toggle back, kind of have your weather app down here, have your GPS, and your other assets here. Anything within Apple CarPlay you can customize. You could also bring that customization here and get a really great experience out of this Stinger Hot 12 or Stinger Horizon 12.